I shall cause thy message to reach the corners of the earth. This was the prophecy that Allah the Almighty revealed to the promised Messiah alayhi salam. In relation to this prophecy, Jamaat Ahmadiyya Sweden organizes many tabligh events every year, such as symposium and brochure distributions. This time, an interreligious symposium was held in the Nasir mosque in Gothenburg on the 28th of November. The topic of the event was Messiah.
Today we arranged a symposium in the topic of Messiah. And background is that we are starting here a campaign in Sweden that Messiah has come in Swedish. So this is the main point. That's why we invited Jewish representative and Christian representative as well. And from Hazrat Masih Maud*s teaching, I had honor to present Ahmadiyya Islam.
A panel of distinguished guests representing the three major religions were invited to share their views about the topic. Representing Christianity was Kulay Enoke. Judaism was represented by Benjamin Gerber, whereas Islam was represented by a missionary in charge Sweden, Agha Yahya Khan Sahib. Moderator of the program was Daniel Andersson, professor in religion at the Gothenburg University.
No, I think it was a good one. Good comments from the people here, the auditorium, and I think that the three gentlemen were actually very interesting when they spoke about the topic. Yes.
Nice. I think you have done a wonderful job with organizing, with inviting, and I'm looking forward to come in the future. You have taken good initiative and very exciting conversations, I think. It was a respectful discussion, and I'm grateful for that. During the first part of the symposium, each panelist got to explain what their religion's point of view is on the coming of the Messiah. Questions like which signs will be shown when the Messiah comes, the purpose of the coming of the Messiah, and what will people receive from his coming were all answered by each panelist. All participants, both non-Muslims and also non-Ahmadi Muslims, listened attentively to all panelists. The audience even got an opportunity to ask questions to the panelists. And even the panelists could ask questions to each other. The panelists took great joy in answering the audience questions.
Yeah, it was an enlightening experience to hear the different opinions directly from the mouths of the Talmidim here, and of the rabbi and the imam and the Christian priest. It was, I think, it was a good step forward, and also to realize what we agree upon and what we do not agree upon, and how to move forward, how to take whatever we know and try to find each other in a good way. So yeah, it was a good step forward.
This meeting was very great. I learned much about Ahmadiyya, new things, and I learned also much about Christianity, and I think it was a great meeting.
They were prepared to ask so many questions about Messiah. And I think Islam was the main point. They were asking so many questions from the representative of Islam Ahmadiyya.
By the grace of Allah, the symposium ended successfully with a whole room full of guests and a total attendance of over 100 people. All guests who came were treated with Pakistani dinner, which everyone really enjoyed. MTA International, Sweden Studios.